What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to demold and make some more light switch and outlet covers. So I wanted to try something different, and I wanted to try the alcohol ink with it. So we're going to see how these turn out. So I have this one. I have this bluish white one. This always reminds me of the ocean, if that makes sense. And then I have this one here. So we're going to make some more. And then I poured myself one of these heart things. And remember, it's in a holographic mold. I don't know if you can see that there. See it? If I hit the light just right. See, kind of see it. Sorry, y'all. I got to get a damn light bulb for this room still. And then I have some more epoxy mixed up because we're going to make some more outlet covers. But let's go on and pull this heart here out. So I did alcohol ink white and black, or like the other heart I did, which I'll show you guys to compare the two. I just did the outline and I left this open. Let's go on and see how this looks and get this pulled out of this mold here. Ooh. Oh, I see. I don't think you can. No, you can't. So I get it now. So remember, this was a new mold I was playing with. See what I mean by holographic? So you can't do the center because it's not attached. So that was a waste. I mean, I could probably glue it somehow, but check that out on that black, y'all. This one is for me because my living room's done in blue, black, gray, and white. I can figure something out, but that obviously I see how you're supposed to pour it. So it's honestly just the outline here, which to me, it's still absolutely beautiful. And it gives you the little holes, a hole here and a hole here to hang it. Now, my husband could help me with this creative idea to somehow seal those two together. I didn't realize that. Duh. I had a duh moment, but it is what it is. But I like it just like that because my living room walls are like almost like this color blue. And I think that'll look really nice. Alright, so there's that. So now I know the center does not work. But you don't know until you try, right? So we're just going to set this over here. You see, it's still flexible because it has to set. Once you pull them out of the molds, they need to set for a while, a couple days. Alright, so let's do the flat outlet light cover, whatever the hell they call these things. And I did it with the alcohol ink. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. This also needs to set for another day. Check that out. Let's zoom in here. Isn't that pretty? Yep. And it's got the little screw holes, the holes for the screws. It looks like the ocean. I love it. So I'm gonna make some more of these today. Here's an outlet cover. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. I can just sand down the edges there. Look at that. So I am going to be making these. It's going to cost me $5 to ship one this size. So I would say, see, it's got to sit for another day, for a couple days. Still trying to figure out some pricing on these, you guys. But they've been a big hit. All right, let's do this green one here. It's got a double regular light switch. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty that is. And depending on what color your guys' walls are, dude, this will look freaking badass. Check that out. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, so I need to set these over here where it is flat, y'all. So give me a second. I got so much crap going on in this room. Alright, those are set flat. Because you want to just let them set flat. So now that I got this zoomed in a little bit, you can see the holographic design that mold puts on there. I got a little piece right there. See what I'm talking about? Absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous. I'm running out of room, y'all. So that black one there is mine. So if you're interested in any of this stuff, let me know. So we are going to pour some more here. But I try to make these match. I've never had light switches like that. I've always had these kind. You know what I mean? Oh, I got epoxy all over this glass tray. I appreciate you guys, all the love, support, and I'll zoom back out some. and all that stuff. But I'm going to go on over here and show you guys Billy's cup. I know I got to get a light bulb. For real, for real. I just put the last layer on Billy's cup. I hope he likes it. Hello, Billy. So I just put the layer on your cup, and then it has to spin for 24 hours, and then it has to sit for a couple days, and then I got to clean it and all that stuff. And then I have some other goodies for you that I'm going to be sending you. So I hope you like it, Billy. I think it turned out amazing. This camera is not really doing it any justice. Plus, I also need a goddamn light bulb for this room. All right, let's go. Let's pour some. This time, I'm going to do black, green, purple, and white. So let's see what we get. I gotta see if I can put you guys somewhere where you can see better. You know what I mean? How about right there? I think that's a good view, right? So the key is when you do alcohol ink, you want to make sure your epoxy is mixed up because you really can't. I'm learning, y'all. You learn something new every day. You can't let the alcohol ink sit on here long because then it starts to dry and it won't do its thing. I'm just picking random colors. Somebody might be interested in it, and that's awesome. So let's go. Let's do, got a little black alcohol ink here. What I do like about the alcohol ink is that it pops the bubbles in the epoxy. I'm not going to wait to do the last one here just in case I don't have enough. Now we're going to do green. I think they turned out absolutely amazing. If you guys are interested in them, shoot me an email at printtoscratcher@yahoo.com. Like I said, it's $10 or $5 just to ship one. So, oops, I forgot to put green in here. I'm tripping, y'all. I hope everybody had a great weekend. We actually got some rain yesterday. So there's that, which is awesome. It would start raining when I'm trying to do other projects. This is purple. Like I said, we're just going to put random colors everywhere to see how these turn out. I think they turned out amazing. You know how much it costs for a damn outlet, plastic outlet thing? And what are they? I don't even know what they are now. I should know this, but I don't. Then we're going to put some white in here too. Then I can add more colors after I pour to kind of just see what it needs more. If you're new to the channel, you're welcome. Welcome to all my new subscribers. You guys are amazing. I appreciate all you guys that are going back and watching my stuff. All right, let's go. Let's pour some of this in here, all right? Let's get this going. Sucks because I'm out of the little Dixie cups, which really help when it comes to pouring. Okay. And of course, my snore box is in here. When isn't he in here with me? Oh! I don't want to fill it too full. I gotta get some more Dixie cups. Just the alcohol ink does its own thing. It's kind of cool. I need to move this up. I think this is going to look cool. I mean, everybody likes different colors. Everybody, like me, I have like different themes in my room, my house. I said my room, in my house, which I've always been like that. I like something different. Make sure I get these filled right before I start on another one. That one's full. So now I know the heart thing. You can't fill the center in. My hands are shaking now. I don't know if I'm going to have enough for this one or not. Let me set that right there real quick. I guess we could try it, huh? I guess we can try. It's actually pretty, depending on what kind of decor you have in your home. This is already really cool looking. And there's the last one. I should have enough for this one. Hopefully. It is hard to pour with these bigger cups. See what I mean? Oof. That was like just enough. Just enough. Alright, so I got some magnets over here. You never want to waste. I don't like wasted materials. Pouring the excess, I don't even know if you guys can see, in my palm tree magnet things that I have. Alright, let's go. Let's see what other colors I think I want to put in here. I think I'm going to drop some more white. Kind of like it. It's kind of cool because as it's curing, the alcohol ink does its own thing. You know what I mean? And I don't touch this at all. I just let it do its thing. This one's super full. I'm going to have some sand in to do. It's alright though. Put a little bit more in there. That motherfucker's super full. Excuse my language. Alright, no more green. Not gonna put any more black, but I'll put a little more purple. I'm probably gonna do a little more white in certain spots. I mean, some of them are looking good. This is gonna look awesome. I feel like that one has enough purple. It's so cool. Alright. So that's it. They're going to sit here and do their thing. I know they probably look crazy as shit, but I mean, let me grab this one. You guys see how they turn out, right? That is freaking badass. I did the same thing that I just did with these with this one here. He's really snoring. Yeah, I did. I think they're going to look amazing. I'm not putting any more black in there because the black's just too much. But I think it's cool. I mean, I don't want to swirl it around. I don't know if you guys can see the alcohol ink is literally spreading and doing its thing. So, and you guys know I have sanding I gotta do and all that fun stuff. So I wanted to just show you guys what I was doing and how that heart thing went. I love the holographic mold. I love that it puts that on whatever. Now the first one I did was the pigment powder and it looked good. This one is the second one I made, and I did it with alcohol ink. But you see how soft it is? It has to set for, I think 72 hours is what they suggest. But I thank you guys so much for all the love and support. If you're new here, go and hit that subscribe, like, comment, and share button. Don't cost a thing. If you like this kind of stuff. Let me see if you guys can see that one's turning right there. Let me zoom in some. You see how it's turning? So the alcohol ink is like alive. It's like almost like a live organism, and it just does its own thing. Now remember, you're looking at the back side, the side that goes against the wall. So as it's curing, the alcohol ink is going to continue to move and do its own things for the new folks in here. So I appreciate you guys. I do. All love, support. You guys are amazing. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Billy, I hope you enjoy your cup. And until next time, y'all, have a great day. Bye.